Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, the Stock Analyst. This video is on ticker symbol MVIS, which is for Microvision, and you might be wondering why I am making the video today, because the stock was down by 3.6% and even on aftermarket it is down by 40%, so almost 4% down. And sometimes you want to get into a particular stock when it is down or sitting at a particular support, so that when it goes up you can make more money, more profit. That is why I'm so interested. So in this particular video I'll talk about the overall trend, why it is a good time to get in. And if you find this video useful, please do not forget to hit the like button. At the same time, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. And again, I was off for last few days and there was no video, but now I'm back, so hopefully you will get every day few videos from me. So anyway, let's start. So first of all, look at the chart here. The price was around $2. It went to like $6-7, again came back to 5. Then it really started going up and up and up. At one point it went to 23, came down, found the floor around 12-13 area, again went up all the way to 28, came down. So you can see this is very volatile. It can go from $10 to $30, then it can come back again to $15, then again to $24, again come back to $15. Very volatile, but you can see that the uptrend, the overall uptrend is going up. So I have two indicators here. So the green line here is 100-day moving average and the purple line is 200-day moving average. Both are pointing upward, meaning that the overall direction for this particular stock is going up. And look at the green line here on a daily moving average. So seems like it was up for some time, it came down and bounced off that line, and recently it came below that green line, but now it is trying to go up. If it can go over this green line, I think this will be a bullish thing. It will go again. On the other hand, it is still over 200-day moving average. This is 1-day candle. Some people like to use 30-minute candles. So let's see about 30-minute. Yes, on a 30-minute we are below the green line, and sometimes the green line can act like a resistance when you're looking at a short-term interval. So again, it was rejected here, it was rejected here, and it might get rejected or it might go above. So anyway, but I want to show you something more. I just don't want to talk about only here, right? Okay, so what is Microvision? Most probably you know. If you don't know, just very quick, Microvision is a tech company, and the main thing is they have LiDAR technology. You can see the simulation here. So it can sense everything. When it goes, it can sense everything. So anyway, I'm not going to talk a lot about this particular company. You can play the video, you can see. But again, for autonomous vehicle, LiDAR is something they need, that technology, and there are so many rumors that he will buy it, this will buy it, so many things, right? So I'm not going to talk about any speculation, but there is something I want to talk about, the earning and some recent hype. So hopefully you will stay till the very end. Now look at the trend. I'm showing you a daily trend. See how it is moving up and down, up and down. These two blue lines are drawn by me. You can see that it is pointing upward, so the overall trend is intact. And when it comes to the bottom, it goes up, comes down. Next time it goes even higher, comes down, and again a push. So higher highs and higher lows. This is the overall uptrend. Why I'm making the video? Because you can see for last back-to-back 3 days the price is on the blue area. Yes, it can come down even tomorrow. I'm not saying that within next 2 days it will just go and it will touch the upper line, but this is the trend. If you're here for medium to long term, I think this is a very good time to enter this particular company, because hopefully it will go up again. See the stock here, right? So 10 to 30 came down and again went to 24, came to 16, and if it goes back again, it could be again another 23, or it could be a new high, who knows. Look at the RSI. On a daily, the RSI is coming down, but for last few days it is a little bit flat here. And you can also see the MACD, it came down, and most probably it will just curl and you will see less red bars and maybe with some green. So maybe it is time, it is just moving. The other thing I want to show, I'm still showing on a 30-minute candle. Then I will just move to other candles. So some people like to say the breakout or break of the falling wedge. So you see here it was coming down. Now it might be ready to go out. So instead of daily, Let's look at 1 hour candles, so maybe I can give you a better idea about how it is moving. Still you can see that maybe it's not confirmed yet, because you can see that the trend is still overall downward. Maybe it can go and touch this line and come down. It's entirely possible. The only confirmation will be when you will see a break and it goes on the other side and it goes up and up. So still there could be downside for next few days. I'm not saying it is ready to bounce off tomorrow, but I want to make the video just to give you a sense that this is the time. Maybe you enter now, or maybe you just wait or enter if it comes to 14.75. But the overall thing I wanted to show you here. Okay, so let's go back to the overall trend here. The thing is, what is the support, what is the resistance? So definitely we will go there. And if you're new here, you do not know, we have a community on YouTube. You can always join. Click on the join button. You will have few options. The lowest one is only $3 per month. You have to pay only $3 per month, which is 10 cents per day, and you will get member specific content. You see, I post so many things only for the members, some trading idea, when to get in, get out. Some things are for members, support, resistance. Like today I talked about CCXI. We talked about get in at 15. I think CCXI went all the way to 18 today. We talked about Zilla today, get in at 3.3, and Zilla went almost like 3.6. Anyway, so this is like some trading ideas, support, resistance, and everything, so that you know when to enter, when to exit, so you get a sense that which stock you will trade today. Anyway, that's not my concern. Just want to show you that this is something I have. If you want, you can always join, and you can always help the community to grow. Okay, and the other thing is the MVIS earning. So their earning announcement, currently the date is August 4th, and what I found, before each earning there is a hype that there will be a buyout of MVIS. There will be something, lots of hype. Look at here, like on the mid-March, right? You see it came here and a nice rally from 10 to 15, $16 just before the earning. Same thing in 30th of April. You can see that there is a nice hype. It went all the way, and just before the earning it came down. Same thing if there is August 4 earning here, and considering the number, the price is very low, maybe this is the time it will bounce and it will just run up before the earning. Just a possibility. I can't tell you that it will happen tomorrow. It will happen after 1 week. Just a fact I'm showing you. Other than that, there are some option thing. I'll go there, but before that, I think it is important to look at the support and resistance. And I think this particular company shows very nice trend here, right? You see all the tops, just connecting all the tops. So 19.2, first of all, definitely would be a resistance. I'm just drawing the easy ones now. Around 23, then I have 19. Let's see something more. So touching here, yeah. Another one is right around 16.5. And what else we have? Maybe something around here. If you don't like an hourly chart, we can always move to a daily, but sometime hourly gives you a better sense. Or some people like 15 minute. Let's try 30 minutes and let's see what we get here. Okay, so the current price is not bad. Actually, this is not a bad time to enter around 14.4, 14.7 area. But I don't want to make it too complicated. If you want, you can get it now. I think the post market it is at 16. If it comes down around 14.5 or 14, you can definitely get in, or you can wait for 13.23, but this is again below the blue line. I am anticipating the blue line will be intact. Look at today's action. It has been moving sideways, but it is over the blue line, so hopefully it will just bounce from here. But once it will start going up, it will have a resistance around 16.5, some kind of resistance around 18.5, then we have 19, 23. Again, I'm making this particular video for the ones who want to hold for some time, because hopefully MVIS will move from 15 to at least $23, $24, and it will be almost 50% profit. Or if you want, you can start some position now. If it comes down more, you can just add more, or if it goes up, then it goes up. So on a 30-minute candle, look what is happening. I'm just moving on different candle. So yeah, this is the hourly candle, and on an hourly candle you can see that the RSI has been moving up. It has been moving up, so most probably it can continue. And again, I do not want to look at a very micro level. I just want to introduce the stock, and I want to say this is the time it has touched the floor. Last time it was here, I talked about it, and it went from $10 to $30. We played with call option and made a lot of money, and I said next time when it will come, I will just give you an alert. So if you want and if you believe in MVIS, definitely this is a good time to get in. Anyway, look at MVIS. The options, the volatility is 130%. If you think they will have an earning in August and there could be a run up, you can always try with August 20th expiry date, which will give you 39 days to expire. And if your target is 20 or 24, you can choose. But look at these ones, not very expensive. The 15 strike price has a premium of 2.55, so your break even is 17.55. Look at the chart, 17.55. Is it possible? Why not? The current price is at 16, so if it goes over 16.5, this thing can easily go towards $19. So why not? Again, call options are very high rewarding, at the same time they are very risky, and most probably you know about it. The final thing I want to show you about the short interest. So I'm looking at Fintel. It's saying 10.52%, and sometimes Fintel is accurate, sometimes they are not that much. Anyway, I'm not going there, but look at the volume, the number of short volume here. You see here. So on 9th of July, the short volume was 732.7 million shares were shorted, and the total volume was 4 million. So the ratio was 18.17. So you can see the short volume ratio here, and today is 12th of July, and again you will see the new data tomorrow. So again, whenever there's a very high short interest, I remember it has something over 20%, it has a nice run up. If the interest short volume ratio is going higher and higher, over 20, 25, 30, this thing will run again. So personally, I think this is a good time to get in. You can get in now with some position. If it comes down, you can always average down. But if you believe the overall trend is intact and there is nothing wrong with this particular company, then yeah, why not? So anyway, it's getting a long video, and yeah, if you find this video useful, please do not forget to hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. At the same time, do not forget to join the community if you want daily trade ideas pre-market and also during the trading hour. Thank you again for watching this particular video. Take care and peace.